if you have been looking for the product which can help you to lose weight fast without stressing yourself, without exercising, my dear, you need apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, when it comes to crushing fats, when it comes to losing belly fats, my dear, this is the best product which you need ever. So you don't need to exercise to lose weight. Only this remedy which I'm going to tell you will help you to lose weight without exercising, without running. So you just need to learn how to make it at home. And the more you take it, trust me, you expect to get good results. So you need to know how to make this home recipe at home, because it's the easiest way you can lose weight without exercising. So if you have been striving to lose weight at home, if you have been striving to reduce your big tummy, my dear, this is the only way you can make it at home without exercising. So you need to know how to make this remedy at home. Before I take you to the preparation, my dear, don't forget to subscribe if you have never subscribed to our YouTube channel Coach Uganda. And at the end of this video, by the way, don't forget to share to your friends on WhatsApp groups, okay, Instagram, TikTok. Please share this video to your friends so that your friends get a chance to know how to use apple cider vinegar to lose weight without exercising. And guess what? If you're on TikTok to enjoy my videos, my dear, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. I always tell you that subscribing is for free of charge, and for easier subscribing, if you're on TikTok, there's a link for my YouTube channel in my TikTok bio. Please visit, click on that link. Automatically it will take you to YouTube and subscribe. Remember, subscribing, turn on the notification bell, because it helps you to be notified when I upload a new video. Okay, but don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and to tell me where you are watching this video right now. What is the name of your country? And the same to you on Facebook. If you love my videos, please go to YouTube and subscribe, because I always upload videos on my YouTube channel. Trust me, this is the amazing remedy which you need to know how to make it at home. It will crush your belly fat forever. It will help you to lose weight without stressing, and you don't need to exercise to reduce your stomach. You don't need to exercise to lose weight. So you need to know how to make it at home and thank me later. Okay, so without wasting a lot of time, let us go to our preparation. I'll be back and I tell you when and how to take this home recipe which we are going to learn right now in this video. We have started our preparation. I want you to get for me your favorable glass. Add for me 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to proceed with our home remedy. Remember, this is a powerful remedy which will crush your belly fats forever, and at the same time to lose weight without exercising. So from that, in your glass, add for me 1 spoon of lemon juice, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to give a like to our video, to tell us where you are watching this video right now. Okay, from that, add for me warm water, guys. I want you to add warm water, not cold water, not hot water, but add for me warm water. From that, mix very well. After, I want you to add for me again a half spoon of cinnamon powder, and again don't forget to mix your home remedy. Trust me, this is a powerful remedy which will help you to lose weight without exercising. So if you want to lose belly fats, you want to reduce on your tummy, this is amazing way you can do it at home without exercising. From that, add for me 1 spoon of natural honey. Okay, trust me guys, if you love my videos, you have to subscribe. So invite your friends to our YouTube channel, and of course tell us where you are watching this video right now. What is the name of your country? And don't forget that at the end of this video, you can share this video to your friends in different WhatsApp groups. At the same time, on TikTok, Instagram, guys, you're allowed to share my videos. And at the same time, leave a comment in the comment section, and we can be friends on different platforms: TikTok Coach Uganda, Facebook Coach Uganda, guys. But don't forget to watch the entire video, because at the end I'll tell you when to take this home remedy. I hope, guys, you have learned different ingredients which you need for this home remedy to take place. Trust me, they are very easy to get and they are cheap, so they will help you to lose weight without stressing, without exercising. So starting from today, no more belly fats, no more big tummy. So you just need 1 glass at least every day. Trust me, you'll be shocked with the results. But before I tell you when to drink it, my dear, don't forget to subscribe, because I don't want you to be missing such educative videos which I always upload every day on my YouTube channel. And I always tell you guys, if you're on TikTok, Instagram, if you don't want to miss my educative videos like this one, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because on my channel I always upload videos like this one. And I tell you, subscribing is for free of charge, so please go and support me by subscribing. For easier subscribing, link is in my TikTok bio. If you're on TikTok, click on that link, automatically will take you to YouTube and subscribe. Turning on the notification bell is very important, so don't forget to turn it on. Okay, so that is it. And please, at the end of this video, please share to your friends in your WhatsApp groups and leave a comment by telling me where you are watching this video right now. What is the name of your country? Okay, and please, by the way, give a like to our video. So why not? Because I have to request you, okay, because this is our YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel, so we need to make a nice family here on Coach Uganda YouTube channel, guys. So this is the way you are going to use this home recipe. I want you very early in the morning, on your empty stomach, before eating anything, I want you to take your drink on your empty stomach. Before taking anything, before eating anything, just drink 1 glass every day. Trust me, take it every day. Okay, and for the better results, fast results, before sleeping you also take 1 glass. It means in the morning on empty stomach 1 glass, in the evening when you are going to sleep take also 1 glass, because at night it helps you to crush your belly fats when you are sleeping. So take 1 glass in the morning before eating anything, and another glass when you are going to sleep. Do it every day. Trust me, in 1 month or 2 months you will be seeing good results. And guess what? It doesn't have side effects, and trust me, it works 100%. Okay, so you need to try out this home recipe and come here and tell me the results. Okay, and I told you guys, subscribe is our policy here on Coach Uganda YouTube channel.